maple trees are hung with gold. Birds are loud in Arcady. The sheep lie bleeding in the fold. The wild goat runs across the wold. But yesterday his love he told. I know he will come back to me. Oh rising moon, oh lady moon, be you my lover's sentinel. You cannot choose but know him well, for he is shod with purple shone. You cannot choose but know my love, for he a shepherd's crook doth bear, and he is soft as any dove, and brown and curly is his hair. The turtle now has ceased to call upon her crimson-footed groom. The grey wolf prowls about the stall, the lilies singing seneschal. Sleeps in the lily bell and all, the violet hills are lost in bloom. O risen moon, O holy moon, stand on the top of Hellas. And if my own true love you see, ah, if you see the purple shoon, the hazel crook, a lad's brown hair, the goatskin wrapped about his arm, tell him that I am waiting where the rushlight glimmers in the farm. The falling dew is cold and chill, and no bird sings in Arcady. The little fawns have left the hill, even the tired daffodil has closed its gilded doors, and still my lover comes not back to me. False moon, oh waning moon, where is my own true lover gone? Where are the lips, vermilion, the shepherd's crook, the purple shoon? Why spread that silver pavilion? Why wear that veil of drifting mist? Ah, thou hast, young Endymion, thou hast the lips that should be kissed.